How to choose your travel bag. Suitcases are a travel staple, but for some trips, a travel bag can be the perfect choice. Whether you're heading away for a weekend, flying hand luggage only, or just need something more compact, Tripp has a bag to match your journey. Duffel bags are a lightweight, flexible alternative to a suitcase. Perfect for shorter stays or when storage space is tight. Our wheeled duffels offer suitcase-style organisation, so if you're looking for a familiar layout of a case, but with all the benefits of a low-key, easy-to-store bag, a wheeled duffel is the perfect choice for you. Flight bags are designed for easy access to your most important items while travelling. With zippered compartments, a smart sleeve to attach to your suitcase, and room for everything from electronics to travel documents, they're ideal for airport days and train journeys alike. Holdalls are perfect when you want something less bulky than a suitcase. They're ultra light, easy to compress, and fit comfortably in overhead lockers. With front pockets for documents and smart sleeves for stacking on your luggage, they make travelling through busy stations or airports effortless. Plus, we have two size options, holdall and large holdall, for wherever your adventures might take you. For keeping toiletries, cosmetics, or small essentials safe and organised, a Vanity case is unbeatable. With a detachable strap, internal packing strap and zip-around divider, plus a back sleeve strap to fit over your suitcase, this is the ideal companion for your travels. Many of our Vanity cases match our luggage collections so that you can travel in coordinated style. Choosing the right travel bag comes down to your destination, length of stay, and how you like to travel. With Tripp's full range of duffels, flight bags, holdalls, and Vanity cases, many with matching suitcase collections, you'll always find the perfect fit for your trip. Explore the complete travel bag collection at tripp.co.uk and travel smarter, lighter, and in style.